Today, I'll show you how to unhide apps on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, you may or may not notice that there are some apps that are missing on your app drawer, and this is because they may be hidden. So to unhide them, simply go into Settings, and under Settings you want to scroll through and find Privacy, and tap on that. Then you want to select Vault. Now you will be prompted to enter your privacy password, so if you don't have it, this is the point you're going to come unstuck. But if you do have it, simply enter it, and you should see all the apps here. Tap on that, and a list of all the apps that you've hidden is going to appear. Now to unhide apps, you need to select them, so simply tap on one and to highlight like that. Simply select on all of them, or you can simply tap on these three dots up here and tap on select. Then select all the apps that you want to unhide. Once you do that, simply tap on unhide down here. Confirm you want to unhide them, and they are now going to be moved from this hidden apps list. Now when you go back to your app drawer, your apps are going to be available once more. That's basically how to unhide apps on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.